In this video, I'll show you how to create your first automation in N8N. First, log into your N8N account and open your workspace. Next, click Create Workflow to start a new workflow. Now, click Add First Step and choose a trigger, such as Schedule Trigger, Webhook, or another event. After that, click the plus button next to the trigger and select the app or action you want N8N to perform. Connect your account if required, then configure the action using the available fields. Next, connect the nodes in the order you want the automation to run. Now, click Execute Workflow to test it and review the results from each node. If everything works correctly, give the workflow a clear name and save it. Finally, click Activate so N8N can run the automation automatically whenever your trigger occurs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create your first automation in N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.